C'est la vie, go to Paris. It ain't five star, it ain't me.
So the website is done with help of great mastermind of Mr. my very dearest friend Saurabh Pargaonkar, who has successfully helped with the Edibles website because मुझे लगा था कि मुझे आ जाएगा, but after multiple YouTube videos, the Guruji has helped us. तो दे देंगे हम शेयर वेयर थोड़ा सा और कुछ नहीं लोग खरीदने के बाद and also light shopping as well.
Yeah, light shopping. We also need magazine holders, book holders. I don't know.
Yes.
What do you call them?
What are the very specific things you want for people
That-
who can come to IKEA and come and see?
Come and see. Very specific things.
Which is the magazine holder.
Yeah,
first of all.
one is the magazine holder. Another one is a rack, sort of a stand for my cabin. So I want to see if I find something nice, a little aesthetic.
We also see the 99 rupee
Exactly, lights.
Lights is one
that?
thing. No, it's not this.
Not
With
that.
expert advice, we've gotten to know that we can, get better lights different ways. How long? This is what?
Fucking hours. Wait.
Girls have just gotten chia. What to drink?
Warm water mugs for us.
What about your lights, your office supplies, and
I
other
will
things?
come back. I will come back. No, but I will also go to West Side because West Side is better.
Yeah, new intel is that
Go to West Side Home and buy a lot of aesthetic home.
apparently
home
West
stuff.
Side, somebody has heard of
West
West
Side.
Side.
No, I've seen. I haven't heard. I have been there. I know that
Oh,
they have
it's
good things.
confirmed rumor.
Yeah, it's confirmed. So
Okay.
go to West Side.
Okay. We'll go to
We have decided all the lights that we want to get, and it's 25,000 rupees all lights just for
it would have anyways
yeah.
because
do you
एवढे
think?
lights घेतोय. What do you think? After there's no expense on office.
Then Rudu will like too expensive. This AC will get
Yeah. In dowry.
dowry AC.
And it's such a great place for you to buy lights for your office. You should just come to Crawford Market. It's so cheap. We were actually gonna go to IKEA, spend so much on IKEA, but if you compare prices from IKEA to Crawford and coming here and scouting for good lights, switch boxes, fans, this is so much more cheaper. And hopefully in this video itself we will show you our office also. And the thing is, a lot of people say that it's not necessary for you to like right away have an office and everything, but because we're already two co-founders in a long distance sort of space, we really needed a dedicated space and all to have everything at one place. So whenever we meet, we have one office place to meet, keep our stuff, talk, discuss, plan, and it's so much better for productivity. So yeah, I hope in this I will show you the office opening. Funny thing has happened. We were supposed. So one big tip for you to come to Crawford is come with cash. So we had to go find a bank and then remove cash and then go back so that.
And our A-star personality was using credit card to withdraw cash and was pressing debit card to.
हो क्यों नहीं रहा है ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा oh whatever, yeah, that's the thing then. Cheers.
It's so hot.
Because you're wearing this thick jacket which we wore in London. I'm fine. I think I don't feel that hot. You can just remove the jacket and you can keep that jacket in the bag.
Which bag?
My bag.